Okay, welcome to D1 Trade. This is D1. So this channel is to record my day trade for my own personal reflection. So it not only records my trading operation but also it records my mental status, psychology situation, etc., in real time. It's not it's not for any like financial advice or investment suggestions or anything. And we are not reliable for anything that you take action based on this channel. So today is December 22nd, 10:02 a.m. PST. We don't miss anything because obviously this is a sideway market. See, this is a flag pattern moved down, and this is market open. And now it's just sideways. I'm not sure if we're gonna. It seems like it is break out the trend line and sideways horizontally. For yes, yeah, it's flag and break out the trend line and sideways. It looks like it's gonna continue to go up. So I'm not sure. We'll see the 1 hour. So for the 1 hour chart, we can see. Oops. We cannot see the volume for the previous market. So for the 1 hour chart, we can see this is the big sideway, and it moved it it break up, and this is the resistance. This is the previous resistance, and today jump. There is some like jump here. There is some jump here, like totally empty. So price immediately jump to here and stop, like going higher. While it going higher, when it meets this rejection, the resistance, which is previous support, then it get rejected and retest to ENA 21, which is fair. Yeah, and it just get bounced back from 1 hour channel. Let's see ES. Yes, this is the big sideway flag. Aggregate, it just always stay on the top half, and sometimes it get to the bottom half and immediately get rejected, very strong rejection to the upside. And the middle line behaves like a buyer defense, and the seller cannot push anymore and jump. And same thing, here is a jump here. This is a breakout. Now is in this like oh, this is not a resistance level. Now price is here, but the resistance level is here. It looks like okay, it's gonna continue to go up until it reaches this resistance level, and we'll see. But if you need to wait for 1 hour resistance level, chances are that we don't have any trade for today. But we can see this one, this one, this one. This level is actually a resistance level that gets verified multiple times before. So probably we just see the reaction. We just see the reaction on the resistance level. If it shows a downward engulfing candle, then we can go short. I mean, I'm not talking about a downward engulfing candle on 5-minute chart, because this looks like, okay, it is. Then we can go short from here. But this is an uptrend, and this is a flag. So so chances are that it just retest. So if you want to confirm downtrend on a 1 hour, then at least this downward candle need to break the trend line for this sideway. Yeah. So let's drop some trend line to make things clear. Trend channel. No, not the trend channel. Or trend channel can be drawn on a ES. So this is uh trend channel and push back after it meets the upper bound, and immediately the ENA line performs the defense and push up. This is the symptom. It's not like, hey, it keeps continue, strong power to push it back to reach the lower bound. It push back something like this, and so this is a symptom to break out. We can probably like go long here, but I missed it here. But I'm not sure. It's something like this micro sideway can either go up or down. We just do the breakout pattern. For NQ, hey, trend line. For NQ, oh, need to confirm. Okay, NQ has multiple sideway here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Around like 20 minutes sideway here, and then followed by the breakout. And this time we don't see any ES and NQ divergence. But here, need to see the downward momentum decrease quickly. And what about this one? So this looks like a parallel sideway. We'll see. Parallel sideway. Then, okay, it break out and close above this line a little bit. It gets strong rejection. We'll see. Need to be conservative. Need to be a breakout and retest, and somewhere around here 0.6 and above, then it shows the retest is ending, like upward engulfing candle shows the retest. Otherwise, something like this is just, if you put a trend line here indicating this channel, then this gonna indicate a breakout, and you go long and you get checked. That's it. But here, even this 2 candle is very strong, then it's still in this range. So chances are like it gets rejected again here, which is the buyer defense. So we'll see once in this channel, then this is no trading zone. Let me see, 720. 6 something. Oh, 30 point. Yeah, this is too small. Keep in mind that when I say 30 points, 30 points worth trading. But the thing is that when the range is only 30 points, then you cannot fully leverage the something. For example, here, we need to wait until the completion of this candle. So probably we can go short from here and here, and we can probably like take profit here. So it will be less than 330, 30 points. We will see. Trend line. So ES shows the upward flag pattern, but it's still a flag pattern. So we cannot see A is breakout to the new level, is close out, so it's a breakout to the top, and NQ is still in the range, so we go long at NQ. This is not divergence. ES has its own sideway pattern, which is a little bit upward. So we need to use the trend line to identify. And while NQ has its own sideway pattern, which is parallel. So we'll see. Something, this is not big. So today we can probably like we can probably increase the range. See, it gets rejected by buyers here. If this is 4, Then this is A. This is 4. So this volatility is relatively small, so we can increase the size a little bit bigger, but it's just a little bit. We always use a 5 minute to check the time to go in. Wait for the compression of the candle. But in price action, if you want to get a more aggressive entry, you can probably like check 3 minutes. See, it's still in the sideway. I'm not sure. Nobody break. Nobody break. Let me see here. Yeah, it's still in the sideway and 30 points. No was the effort. No was the trading. If ES and NQ are generally on the same page, then probably we can set ES as a 3 minute while we set NQ as 5 minutes. So we see the both graph at the same time. Now we just want to see the reaction on the buyer defense line, the trend line bottom boundary, trend channel. Let's see here. When can we go short? It break out somewhere at this level, 1 hour level. Yeah, if we break out to the downside, then we can go short. But when we go long, need to break out obviously and retest and show the engulfing. So because this is on the upper bound, this is in a resistance level in the 1 hour. Maybe I should change it to 15 minutes. Okay, this change to 15 minutes. So, um, so we'll see. The retest gonna be this probably like even this is an overall uptrend in 1 hour, then the retest may probably be this big trend line on 1 hour something. Or if we just on the 15 minute, we just retest to ENI 21 somewhere above, somewhere beneath the ENI 21, I'll not be surprised. Yeah, let's just see. Let's see the reaction. So ES has still some distance from here, and NQ has almost reached the downside. We'll see. Need to wait for the compression, and even after it break out, you need to close and see. See, there are some buyer defense jump in. ES continue to go down, but still in the range. NQ seems, let's see if we can close the beneath the trend line. No. If not, that means the sideway continue. We continue observing. We continue watching. And maybe 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because theoretically, this parallel sideway can continue endlessly without any aggregation. There's no way to predict when it will terminate. Okay, some big momentum shows up. Will you retest? Okay, pick us up. No, I hope you are not doing a liquidity sweep. You get rejected by this line, which is proven, which is proved to be uh, buyer defense multiple times. Let us see, there is a strong momentum pushback, and seller gonna attack something. But if it exists here, they're gonna quit. If this candle closes as an upward candle, I'm gonna quit. But observe that while the NQ goes so much lower than the ES is very small volatility. So I'm not sure, especially at the very beginning, the ES is like a parallel sideway, parallel flag pattern, while the NQ is something like this big. Oh, something may decrease. So we'll see. Again, we'll set our stop loss somewhere at ENA 9. Trading from ENA 9. Yeah, always set stop loss. And let's see how you react with how you react to this buyer defense. It gets rejected, strong rejection here once it get here. But the trading volume is very small. That means not that many people want to sell. So probably, and we see it drops down quickly. That means nobody put a limit order somewhere around here. But now a lot of people get, you see this hesitation, this up and down. Some people, not sure. And more people buy. See, the trading volume becomes green. God. But for ES, it's still in the range and it's in ENA 21. We'll see. Oh, it becomes green. Let's see 3 minutes. Oh, gets rejected to this level. That's not good. So we put on a ENA 9, that's correct. If we retest to ENA 9, probably that means reversal. They definitely engulf this candle. That means the sideway continue. Okay, a new 5 minute candle starts. It ends up to be a bearish candle. So sellers are still control the market, at least for this 5 minute. Buyers are very strong at this level, 673, somewhere around here. So we'll see the second mile. Probably when it reaches here, maybe I need to move my stop loss somewhere. If you get pushed back again, then probably that means I need to quit this sideway. Sideway around the trend line is very dangerous. Sometimes the candle line movement does not necessarily mean a big momentum. It's only when there are a lot of buy limit order here and trading volume becomes big and it still moves so fast. That means the momentum. Sometimes just nobody put a buy limit order here, and some seller just want to try, hey, let's just increase the selling pressure suddenly. And so a lot of people, there are some people put a buy limit order here, so it gets rejected quickly. So whenever this happens, that could be a fake out. That means it moves fast, but the trading volume is not big. Something like this will be observed. But for ES, it's already break out the trend line. That's why I'm still holding this trade, because ES shows the downward intention, break out this trend line. So if we break out this level, then probably a realistic goal will be here. Align the bottom line of previous rejection, but it's too early. And for ES, probably like here. This is a realistic take profit line. So ES keeps continue down. Okay. Obviously step out something indicating the downtrend continue. This is like sideway flag, break out to the top, to the bottom. Keep going. And NQ just get rejected here, this long line. And still it's trying to recharge. Sellers are stumbling. Make a second attack. Oh, let's see the compression. 2 more minutes. If ES and close underneath the trend line or underneath the lower low, like below the low point of this the previous candle, that means that confirms the downtrend. Then I'm gonna keep holding this trade. Even NQ has not closed as a lower low. RCES. ES is so stable, huh? ES shows straight downside. You see this trend line, but NQ shows some decreasing. Like the momentum becomes big and becomes smaller and smaller. You can see the curve. The trend line curve is not a straight line. It's like round something. Round at the boundary of the yeah, okay, it close. ES close underneath lower low. So I see this candle. Once this candle creates a lower low for this one, and I will move my stop line to be even. For ES, it's straight downside, but I'm not sure if it becomes some sideway around trend line, something here. But for NQ, okay, some momentum reappears, but gets rejected at the same level. Bio defense still effective. So hold on. Hold on for ES. Okay, ES, the bio defense is somewhere around here. Let's see, ES, you're gonna assemble and set out another trade. Set out another trial attempt. But if buyers are very strong here, you're gonna bounce back to the upper side. Let's see. Oh, oh, it's really strong here. Buyers. Let's see, because ENA like is here. If it reaches here, that means ENA 21. Then that means a potential reversal rather than retest. But now this can still be treated as a retest, or is a sideway around the range. But if it retest to ENA 21, so this stop loss is reasonable. Let's see. Yes. If it covers this candle, that means potentially. So we don't need to wait for our stop loss gets triggered. If ES covers this one, that means potentially a reversal. This is like a fake out. All these buyer defense here are very strong. See, they resume control within one candle, within 5 minutes. Very strong. We'll see if the hour candle can engulf the previous downward candle. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. So it's still sideways. So it's too early to talk about take profit. It looks like some sellers are defending here at the lower bound of the previous sideway trend channel. Some buyers are defending here, so there will be some sideway around here. For this candle is for buyer candle, and let's see if the next candle is still next candle you seller resumes control. One more minute. One more minute. Oh, maybe. Let's see how it reacts to ENA 9. Mm-hmm. Let's see. This could probably be a fake out. How it reacts. We don't need to wait for the stop loss gets triggered. Just get trapped by the fake breakout. If it exceeds ENA 9, then probably we can terminate early. But ENA 9 is effective, at least for now. So some sellers are defending on ENA 9 and downtrend reduce. Let's see. Don't increase. Do not increase size randomly, because this small distance is not worth like we add a rescue order. and I probably would not use rescue order because this is another trading style. We just stop loss within 100 bucks. Um, I'll see if this candle close as a bearish candle, then red candle, and probably the downtrend remains because this is breakout. It looks like a fake out because the trading volume is small, but from the price action, this is still indicates overall downtrend and breakout pattern. Sideway at the range, sideway at the upper bound here, and continue to go down. Let's see, yes, if ES close above ENA 9, that means buyers really control the market. It looks like NQ wants to go down and ES wants to go up. See the candle solid part is so strong. Okay, the second or the third time they trying to get a triumph. They are trying to get a triumph over the ENA 9. See bias, but for ES is already above the ENA 9. NQ still below. We'll see. One more minute. Will you close as a bearish candle? Hmm. One more minute. ES still the bullish candle, green candle. See this line. God damn, Jesus. It's still sideways. I'm not sure if buyers gonna attack the ENA 9 once more or sellers resume control of the market. But ENA 9 is an effective defense and ENA 9 keeps moving lower and coming close to my entry price. This is a good sign. Okay, so this is a retest. Up to here, this is a retest. At least for now. It looks like downtrend reduce. There could be multiple like retests here. Ugh. Look at ES. ENA 9 performs the defense. So this candle will never exceed ENA 9, but previously does not close above ENA 9. So let's see if this time it can break this level. If it gets rejected again, I'm not sure. Maybe I need to quit. I need to take profit here. That's the first thing, but it creates a lower low. That means it makes some progress. See here, it makes a lower low as it tries one more time, something, keep breaking down lower. Oh, it does not look right. Yes, wants to go up still. Buyers still trying to push up. Then it cannot create a lower low. That's not good. This is sideway, and good thing is I go short at the upper bound of the sideway. So if I'm wrong, I lose, then don't lose so much. Good thing is I don't go low here. Somewhere. I wish I can be more patient and do go short here. But when you arrive here, then everybody thinks, okay, this is a fake out and you're gonna go here. So nobody gonna go short here. Very few people are gonna go short here. Because it seems like a buyer's resume control, and this is a fake out at this situation. Oh, and they think for this situation, who knows? See, buyers trying to get control. From yes, this looks like dangerous, undeterministic, but for NQ, we can see the ENA 9 is a defense, very effective defense. Hmm. But even ENA 9 appears to be so strong defense, then I will not adding increased position, because who knows? The trading volume is small, so anybody can incur any volatility and break out the buyer-seller balance. Oh, it does not look good. The hour candle engulfed the previous downward candle. That does not look good. Okay, let's see this one. It touches the ENA 9. Okay, for ES. Downward candle engulf the upward candle. While for NQ is still hesitate. Oh no, gets rejected. No, it keeps going up. Hmm. In this way, it seems The trend line is an effective control, effective support. Let's draw it this way. Let's see. The ES has not created a higher high. NQ, obviously, NQ is a higher high. We want to go up. But ES is still. It looks like NQ is going up very strong. ES still get rejected at this level. What's going on? Almost kicked me out. Oh, you're gonna kick me out. So this is a fake out, fake out. You see this big motion, big movement, but very little trading volume, and it's even green. That means more buyers than sellers. Okay, more sellers than buyers, and more buyers than sellers. But this is more sellers. So this is a retailing seller, more sellers than buyers, but it still keep going up. Oh, we'll see. More sellers than buyers, so trading volume is red, but it's still going on like this. That means a big player are going long. Some big players are here, which is this is the previous resistance, and this is previous support. So some players are defending around here, in here and here. Don't get full again. So yes, let's break out something like this, and yes, is still something like here. So we could probably like trade yes. Which means somebody is defending here, and this is effective. So, you'll see. It's not easy to set this. I will set probably allow here because we are already at the trend line. So, this is my stop loss. We are already at the trend line. If you break the trend line and close above underneath the trend line, that already means something. Oh, we keep going down. But what about NQ? NQ, it looks like buyers, big players are here. Push it up. How come there is some divergence like this? Oh, what now? Huh, resistance here, ENA 21, huh? So the retest is ending here, right? Don't fool me. Anchor is obviously breakout close above the sideway channel, indicating a uptrend. And but the ES is still like in the sideway area. That's why I trade ES. But it looks like this is a retest, and retest is ending here. Let's see this where this candle close. Maybe I should set a stop loss somewhere here. If it covers this one, but this is the real rejection. The real support is here, and we can see the support is here. So I say it's so long, but so I'm not sure about the peak points. Maybe it will not close underneath, but it will some mere trigger. So once I set stop loss, I will be conservative. But maybe this is too big. I don't know. See very close. If it does not engulf the previous upward candle, then that means buyers are still control the market. Oh, keeps going down, but ES shows the upward. Oh, it keeps going down. And if we drop something here, that means the seller resumes control. Seller resume control. Let's see. Let's see the reaction on this level. if you can really close underneath here. But if we draw a trend line, that means we need to go short for now. Go short somewhere around here when we test to here. And for ES, if we draw the trend line, something like this. Yeah, that's said. As long as you can retest to here, okay. And I'm in for the leaving order. I'm gonna quit here. Hey, you don't retest? Get rejected here again, or break out. Or you break out. See if you get rejected. Or you get no rejection here. Come on. Get rejected here and then quit and go short. Hey, get rejected more. Hey, more. Hey, more. Hey, one more. Just rejected more. Something. Let's see. Set the limit order in A9. That's reasonable. Hmm. Looks like this candle is upward. And bias resume control again. So allow this line. Let's see how far you can go. Retest to here. That means the bias defense here. Bias defense here is still very strong. Push it back and gonna push it back. And this is gonna be a double top. Oh, double bottom. Gonna push back. at least for NQ. Oh, 4 more minutes. Then I go long at the neckline. That's bad. Oh, let's see. Okay, engulf. That means buyer is stronger than seller at this level. Oh, yen at 9, defense. NQ is yen at 21. Let's see. Let's see, 3 minutes. It gets rejected to yen at 1 and continue downside. Mhm. That means it get pushed back. Okay, see if you gonna retest here again. Hmm. Try to retest once more. Oh, on NQ, it shows like buyers are dominating. No, I'm gonna reverse here. Uh, so this is like a reverse because it cannot go up. So probably like it will probably go down. See here, it cannot engulf the previous one. And now it shows a downtrend. That means the yen 9 is defending. Yen 21 is defending. Oh, P. It looks like it gets defense somewhere around here. Sell from ES. It looks like handle cup and downward something. From ES is trying to go down, but to go short here is risky. To go short at the bottom because this is verified resistance. I'm not gonna add any position. We'll see this candle. Oh, it bounce back. So we'll have ENA 21 again. Yes, it's still trying to go down. But NK want to go up. God, Jesus. It looks like there's a trend line defending here. But it looks like this is like triangle, sideway triangle. I'm not sure if you're gonna break up to the top or break up to the downside. It feels like okay, it feels like this is sideway. Still sideway. That I should not be in a trade. So the stop loss will be somewhere around here. If it exceeds to here, that means it changes. This is a double bottom. This is a neckline. Right, in that way, my entry price will be somewhere in the middle. That's not good. Oh, that's not good. Okay, yes, breakout. So we can add some more position. And drag this back a little bit. Because yes, that's already breakout. But NQ is still in the range. Hmm. Hopefully this time you can break. If it break, then I'll see the take profit will probably here. Okay, 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes. Hello?
My name is Mr. Wayne.
Yeah?
Hi, this is Sandy giving a call at Dr. Hall's office.
Mhm.
I'm calling because you have a video visit with him this morning at 11:30.
Okay, yeah, I
I
confirm.
just wanted to check you in for your visit with Dr. Hall. Do you have some time right now?
I'm sorry?
Do you have some time right now to pre-check in?
Yeah, I have not filled the pre-check-in form.
Can you just confirm that you're in a safe, at the time of the visit, you'll be in a safe location and within the state of California?
Yeah?
And can I get the location at the time of the visit that will be held?
I'm sorry.
The location.
Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Yeah, lose one trade like 500 during a phone call. That means if any interruptions coming in, then the best thing to do is just quit any trade as soon as possible with any micro profit. Even the profit is micro, that's fine. Just quit. Mm. So I don't increase position at this time because this is ENN9 and it seems like it's effective defending here. And it's like previous resistance, but now after a breakout, it becomes a support. So I'm not sure. Um, Probably I should not think of add position. I should defend first. Okay, buy, buy. So if he bounce back, at least I quit. If he bounce back exceeds this high, that means a potential reversal. I will probably need to quit. Oh, it is bounce back. So with this effective defense around here, let's wait for the completion of this candle. If it is engulfing for this, then we can put a long trade because this support, that means this support is effective. One more minute. Let's see. Oops, 2 more minutes. We will see. So previously we just get fooled by this trend line. Once this trend line gets broken, then the uptrend continues. And oh, we lose it here. We lose it here, get kicked out. But now it looks like we'll wait for the completion of this candle. Let's see. Okay. So like 4. This is the adjustment. This is just on board order. It looks like this is like going downward. Let's see. And in 5 minute ES, that's long rejection. Let's see. Wait for the retest. Maybe retest to here. Then the four order should be here. Okay. See how ENA 21 defends. And see the check the trading volume. Trading volume is not big. Not big enough. And it's at the same resistance level. Yeah, 2 or 3 and something. Oh, oh. You're gonna fight back? Align ENA 9. You just retest to ENA 9 once. But on ES 5-minute chart, then the ENA is a valid defense for now. So probably it will bounce back. I'll see. Oh, it bounced back. This is the real support. Bounce back from here. This looks like an uptrend. ENA 9 is still the defense for ES. For NQ is already breakout ENA 21. Close underneath ENA 21. Let's see if ENA 9 becomes the new defense for the buyer. ENA 9 becomes a new seller defense. Otherwise, it looks like this is breakout retest. Retest to here, 0.4 allow. And then start retesting. It start resume the trend. It's not like retest here and resume. So just need to figure out from time to time, just need to figure out, okay, where the market want to go and where each movement is retest or the reversal. What is the trend? The trend, I think it's downtrend here because, oh, I could be wrong because this is a sideway. There's no trend. Come on. Then realistically, I should just put a buy order here. Buy. Yeah. So we'll wait for the market leaves. Then for any candle, then the peak point is far away from here. Then we'll set the trading stop, something. But this time we still need to prepare the rescue order. Oh, it seems like yen and I becomes the new seller defense, something, and push the market go back down. Okay, that's good. I'm not sure because this is a sideway triangle and it does not exist. Create a lower low exceeding this line. Oh, it exists because we know there is some support right here. Oh, it exists. Right, right, right. Well, in that way, then maybe we can put this adding at a position order move to here. Oh, for ES, this is like flag. Potentially, this is like flag consolidation. Keeps going up. Oops. Not sure if that's the case for NQ. Yeah, for ES, this is, looks like a flag consolidation. Contradictory situation. Contradictory contradictory conclusion will come out based on how you perceive the chart. That's why somebody is selling, somebody is buying. But if it exists, then maybe I should not think of like I should think of the prevention. I should think of trading stop loss to protect. For example, buy. I set my stop loss here. I'm pretty intimidated by this sideway market. Sometimes it's gonna backfill. It's gonna bounce back, and the reversal will stop anytime. So even I just make a little, that's better than lose. Oh, here, when we see this, we can confidently add some short order right here. Yeah, yes, same thing. We can add some short order here once we set this engulfing candle. So just relax, wait for the compression, capture the setup, and go in. Five minutes, 3 minutes, you switch back and forth and look at and see. And don't go too close to this something. It can retest anytime. See, it's coming to, oh, it's coming to this support. And we'll see the behave, how it behaves. A little bit more. Yeah, even I'm here, 696. Then I'm still above the unit line. The unit line is effective defense so far. It looks, if it gets pushed back, exceeding the unit line, that means this support is effective and bounce it back. It can reverse anytime. Pretty intimidating. Okay, here. Somebody is defending. Somebody is defending here. Okay, defending, bounce back. Oh, for yes, it bounce back again. Hmm. Thirsty. For ES, it looks like, hey, maybe I should draw the trend line. Okay, if we draw the trend line, something like this in parallel with this one, we see ES is outbreak to the upside. So we should probably like enter, exit this trade. ES as a break, already break. Okay. Hmm. Oh, ES fool me. This is fake. Oh, it keeps going down. Yes, fool me again. It breaks to the upside. Come on. I think this support level is effective, but it keeps going down. Go. Oops. Let's see. Let's wait for the compression. 3 more minutes. Uh, see this ENA line. Now it's still like very defense. But ES has already break out and close above the trend line, indicating the end of the retest. So as long as this candle does not close back towards the channel, that means that the ending of the retest, and this is a retest. If it just ends here, this is a retest. Continue to go up, higher high. That means it can only go so long. The rejection from seller can only go so long and start to go up. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes, for me. But ENA9 is very defense for 3 minutes. What about 5 minutes? Oh, 5 minutes. It does not close above the trend line. Yeah, get pushed back. But it has already an engulfing candle right here. Oh, so probably. Mm, mm. Okay. Yes, already. Oh no, get pushed back. 1 more minute. Let's see if ES can close above the trend line. It's closing above the trend line. And for NQ, it shows the first like green candle in this. The downward momentum keeps decreasing. Buyers gradually resume control of the market. That's good. Okay, yes, already. It seems you already finished the sideway triangle. Let's see if it's sideway. Or it's gonna create a higher high. But NK wants to go down. Oh my god. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It keeps going down. NK still want to going down. But ES does not engulf this bullish candle. See, it bounce back. This could be a fake signal. Um, so I'm gonna resume to use manual stop loss, and I'm trying to conquer my own emotional status, because for ES, you see, it's not engulf this one and close back in the range. Mm. And it has such volatility, something here. We'll see. It's so many people are selling. This is sideway, and we enter into the order in the middle. That's not good. And this is a lower low. That's not good. This is this is a lower low, and this is a lower high. That's not good. Come on. Oh, engulf. Yes, engulf and shows downward momentum. You get yes, fool me again. We'll see. NQ has already break, and ENA9, the ENA9 becomes an effective defense. And for ENA9 is still defending. God, Jesus. Ah, this way. Let's prepare the rescue something here. Then this will be too big. This is my last defense. So it should be conservative. NQ has breakdown, but ES still at this level. For ES, even at this level, there is still support, verified support. So we'll see. Align with this support for NQ is somewhere around here. 6. Okay, this line. We'll see. Will it trigger here? Or you bounce back before that? Oh, for yes, it bounced back. Keeps pushback. It gets pushback. Some resistance are here and it's effective, it seems. And see if you really test here, because there's a strong support around here, which makes sense. See bump back, and for ES is engulfing the previous bearish candle. It's trying to engulf. I wish it triggered this one and then bounce back to the middle. So the average entry price to the middle, then if it bounce back with some micro profit, then I exit. So that's the plan. Because this is sideway market, so we can use this strategy. But of course, if you bounce back something like here, that's even better. Huh. Let's see. Oops. No, I don't like this strong rejection. ES still so strong. Maintain somewhere here. Should I just catch up? Because it looks like it's trying to. Okay. Now, if you retest here, I will leave the trade. But if you create a lower low, I'll leave the trade. $30. This is too dangerous. E and A9 is here. Okay. Just set it here. We'll see. Huh? Okay. uptrend. Buyers are organizing some power to defense along this line. And we successfully grab the average entry price to here. So hopefully it gets here. We'll see if we will engulf. Now the goal is just to get out of this trade. ES is still so strong. While NQ is less than half. You get pushback. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe this is the end of the story. Keep going down. That means sellers win. Oh, buyers. What's going on? Buyers. Uh, so, so 30. Let's see here. If you touches here, I'll quit. Oh, get pushed back again. And hit my stop loss. Oh, dome. We'll see. Sideway market is not easy to trade. Especially this is like a flag pattern. For years, this is like, okay, just sideway around here. But for ES, for NQ, just sideway around here. For NQ is something around here. I will see the confirmation around here. But if we going down, I'll wait for it break, retest, and downward engulfing.你要出去，那怎么办？我们怎么办？啊，问题。Gamble. It feels like trying to. Mhm. Okay, but yes, it breaks out. Let's see 5 minutes. It breaks out, and let's see if it close above the trend line. Oh, so if I can wait one more couple more minutes, then I should be profitable for the trade, for the long trade, because this is almost the end. Almost. For ES, it's break out this flag pattern, so chances are that, oh, will it reverse? This is a double top. Okay, resume upside, yes. And this is the end of the RSI, something, something. Whenever RSI reaches this level, then it starts bounce back. Bounce back to here. So I'm not sure how long it's gonna go this time. Oops, 3 minutes shows some retest, but 5 minutes for ES, it shows a continued upside. Oh, reverse. If he can trigger this point. If he trigger this point, that means ES falls back to the range. That's not good. But at this point, I cannot like add position. Oh, engulfing the bullish candle. Kidding me? It's trying. Now at this time, it's still the retest. Retest. If it's engulfing, then probably that means a reversal. Trade sideway market is just go long at the bottom, go short at the top. If I know this is a all-day sideway, then this is gonna be the rule. And if I go short here, go long here, that will make some money. And don't be greedy. Previously, just get rejected here. So this time I'm just targeting here. If it keeps going up, can see this trend line, something break out, close above, and then retest. Draw one more channel here. Yeah, that's standard textbook. Oh, you retest to here. Okay, you retest to here. $6.85. At most. Okay, it should not exceed this line. If it exists, then I need to quit. If it exists to here, I need to quit. Wow, this is too long. Big, big distance. See, yes, 5 minutes. This is the ending, and a new candle starts. See if it continue to go down or bounce back. If it bounce back, then this is like something. This is like breakout and retest and keep going up. But if it keeps going down, oh no, then probably it will be here. It is trying to engulf again, trying to push down. Hmm. I mean, the position is a little bit big and a little bit in a revenge trading situation. I should probably like reset the trading size. Like for example, the 3 minute is like 3 and the 5 minute is like 5. 5 is 5. Okay. Going forward, should not trade super big size. It's risky. Hmm. It looks like there's a big momentum and retest. Retest is ending. But for ES, it's just break out the sideway range and retest to here. See? Retest to the upper bound of the sideway range, the flat channel. We'll see. Actually, I can trade this micro setup. So on it's not a clear setup on 15 minutes or even on 1 hour. 1 hour or even on a 15 minutes, but it looks like and it's not a setup in 5 minutes, but for ES, that's a setup. See? That's the setup. Keeps going up. Mm. Okay, if you retest to here, I can catch that. I think this is a solid defense. This is a solid bio defense. Oh, you're gonna catch me out? ES shows for this setup, breakout, retest. Keep going up. Now let's see. Oh no. In 3 minutes, it looks like this is reverse and reverse to here and start to resume go upside. Mm-hmm. 3 minutes. So last 10 minutes, multiple test here. I still move move to catch up to conservative. So I missed this one to add position. I missed this opportunity to add position, but we'll see. Unless it close, this kind of close about yen 21, that I'm pretty sure is leaving this sideway. And I'm completely lost this something. At this time, who knows? There could be some opportunity retest to here, see? Oops, that's not. But if we close underneath here, there's another story. Hmm. Okay, reverse setup. It's a little bit risky to go long here because I'm not sure if we continue sideways or something. But this is like a breakout trend line and retest back to trend line, and now it reduces. But for ES, it's already engulfing. Engulfing. But, but yeah, it's not even reached this line to push it to the previous level. So we'll see. Okay. Oops. What's going on? Wait for the compression of this candle. So if the lower bow is some Oops, what's going on? It looks like the connection is somewhere. Then this time I should know something I should protect a little bit. Because it close. Let's wait for the compression of this candle. 1 more minute. So I think it's safe to set something to set a trailing stop loss. Protect. At least I'm profitable. More or less for this one. Oops. NQ is like crazy. What about ES? ES, okay, it shows some uptrend, continue uptrend. Now it already covers 2 5 minute candle. It already covered, it already engulfed the previous one. Shows up uptrend, overall uptrend. We'll see. NQ is like very strong. Is there any news? I just think, okay, this could probably be the ending. Could be the end. Uh-oh. See if, oh yes, it's engulfing. See if this one. But I see very strong upward intention for NQ. Not sure if the reversal starts here, but this seems like a flag, not a flag channel going upside. Maybe I should draw a channel. Hey, hey, something like this. So for this candle, a little bit dangerous because it can retest to the lower side or lower bound of this channel. After a couple of more, then this trend line goes above my trailing stop loss. That would be great. That would be safe. Wait for the completion of this candle. 3 more minutes. Still some struggle here. Mhm. It seems like some resistance here. You're gonna continue sideways. You can, if this candle cannot close above the sideways channel. I mean, for ES, it looks like there is a parallel sideways channel. If it close above it, then that's fine. If it doesn't close, then maybe I need to quit. Because this is another resistance. Okay, look at this one more candle. If it triggers here, that is a potential reversal. Okay to quit with some micro profit. because the ENA line has go above our trading stop loss. So our trading stop loss is more conservative. The ENA line, if this is a reversal, the ENA line should be should provide some defense somewhere. What about 5 minute? Yeah, it's still the ENA line. Close. Okay, one more candle. Mm-hmm. Reverse. Probably a higher high with such like sideway. If it's not reversed here anytime, then it will be a higher high. Engulf, engulf, engulf the previous bearish candle. Confirm the uptrend. Come on. Oh no, we are rejected. Okay, for ES is still sideway, sideway consolidation. For NQ is still sideway, but it's in the upward channel. So let's just wait for a couple more candle. It's very dangerous. We almost get kicked out. Still, now it's still sideways. See, it does not even close above 3 more minutes. Let's see. Yes, it's in sideway. Unless you can close above the channel. And the next candle does not fall back. Oh, there are more buyers here, more buyers than sellers. Now more sellers are here, but it still shows the uptrend. Green candle, that means the buyers are big players. Less number, but more volume, more orders. So it's not a good time to add position. Let's see, it just sideway here, and I just go add some position at the lower bound of the sideway and set the stop loss immediately here. But at this time, it's not. Oh, you're gonna kick me out. Oh, yeah, it's not a good time to add some position here. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's reversing. Well, yes, it keeps going down. Reversing. Our NQ ENA line is still defending. Reversing. Let's see. This trend line. Okay, gonna retest to here. But if you retest to here, probably okay. So it kick me out. Yeah, it will retest to the boundary. Now let's see if this lower bound can hold. 5 minutes. This looks like engulf this one. Then I'll probably need to go short. It's a little bit risky to go short here because on this sideway, this is the lower bound. Oh, but it's just in the middle. Oh, it's 12:46. Very close to 12:50. At the minute of 12:50, big volatility will happen, and we'll see where it goes. Oh, but yes, it has retest the whole range, something here. But for NQ, no, it's coming to 12:50. Don't trade the volatility. You're gonna trigger whatever stop loss or take profit in a flash. You're gonna flip by upper needle, downward needle, bottom needle. No trade during this time. Uh, Probably. Yeah, this is the new channel. Mm-mm, mm-mm. Going down. Let's see. If it's going down, then I will. Going down. Retest and pick me up at ENA line. I will set my stop limit order at ENA line. So assuming that even it goes to here, I always retest to ENA line and then resume the trend. Mhm, mhm. Oh, is this a retest? Oh, 50. Okay. Sell. We're gonna sell here. 5 more. Buy. Buy. That is line. Okay. Let's see. Um, our momentum speed. Whenever ES arriving at here, which is a support, then potentially it will arrive here. I don't think I need this. Instead, I need this. Buy. This is the stop limit order. Make sure, just in case any reversal. Line in a line. We'll see if this is the support, bounce back here, or this is the support. Realistically, this is the support. I'm gonna get a lower low, something here. We'll see if we get back and trigger. Oh, deep retest. So this is it looks like this is a support. That has a strong rejection. Oh, it bounced back and kicked me out. Maybe I need to set a stop loss here rather than here. Gonna get kicked out. Okay, the support is here. See how strong this support is. Let's see 5 minutes. It does not even arrive here. It's just here. But who knows? But that shows that this defense, bio defense, still very strong. Oh god. I think I'm gonna realize, okay, 1000. Realize PNL 938. So it's like 1000. Oh, daily PNL 10776. Sideway day is very difficult to trade. Let's see, yes. Yes, they're trying to push down. But NQ has already very strong pushback. See if you retest. It shows very strong. Oh, and suddenly it shows backward. Some strong sellers are here. Suddenly, some strong sellers are here and probably retest here, and some buyers are here and reject. We'll see. Mm-mm. I don't like this engulfing. ES shows engulfing. That means overall is back. It's back. So this is like liquidity sweep, indicating I'm gonna go up and back to this channel. That's how I perceive. So I just set a limit order, long order at the lower bound is something. If this is really a liquidity sweep, and maybe somebody gonna flash and try again and get me on board, and you should bounce back. Keep going up, please. Then I should, yeah. Then if this limit order, liquidity sweep, then micro liquidity sweep, and going up, something like this. Not easy to trade sideways. You just need to apply like trading stop loss, and just in case you're gonna reverse anytime. Oh, it looks like this candle, 5 minute candle becomes green. At least you should not close underneath this line, which is the flag, micro flag. This is micro flag. Then to confirm, this is just retest. You're gonna go up, keep going up. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. At this time, I cannot conclude anything. There is no chance. Come on. There is just sideway. See this sideway. Go. Go. Yes, shows some uptrend intention, upward intention. 10. Too greedy. Mm. Oh. Hold on. Seriously. Last minute. Hey, last minute. Seriously, you're gonna go down? Last minute, crazy. Well, I guess it looks like super big. Engulfing, rejected. Maybe I should just change my take profit here. Something here and guess the buyer rejection here. See if the buyer is stronger. Last minute. Okay, I just quit. 1 o'clock, market close. Don't trade the last minute. Maybe it will go up, keep like engulfing already. But I'm not sure about the reaction on this resistance level. Anyway, just make some fight back and make my daily loss in 1,000. So starting from tomorrow, maybe I need to think of like $100, $200, and take profit. Trade this micro trend, one single candle that can get me more deterministic rather than something like this. God, I will see. So much for today and see you tomorrow. Oh my God, I lost 500 in the phone call. Oh.